hello everyone! Mega shoutout. Welcome to Pure Stone na Heart. Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be able to be notified sa mga next videos ko. So this morning guys, again we will do another unboxing videos. Actually guys, the story time for this is I have a student. She gifted me something, and then oh my god, I really love this one guys. Actually for the story for this is she gave me the money and I don't want to spend that money for nothing, but actually I purchased one of my favorite collections for today this time. So I went to the mall and this one, I want to share this one to you guys. This is, I consider this one a gift of my student. Ayan, so from New Vanto. Ayan, so then another beautiful piece which I really like, and my previous video also it's the same with this one, but this one is different styles, and I'm fan of collecting this one nowadays. So okay, tadang! Here is the new piece of collection again. And then guys, meron pa dito yung resibo. And it says here is the brand is Lee Cooper again. So Lee Cooper. This is the Lee Cooper. And let me check this one. So this is the Lee Cooper guys. The design is very nice. Actually, I choose between the aqua blue and the red one. I choose the red one guys because it's very elegant. Lee Cooper. Yes, very nice. And it seems it's very, very elegant guys. Let's wear this one. There you go. Very nice. Thank you so much for my student who gifted me money. So this is the one that I purchased. Kasi sabi ng estudyante ko, sir, hindi ko alam ang gusto mo, so bahala na ikaw. Ito yun. Thank you so much. And then meron ditong warranty certificate. This is 2 years warranty. Yeah. At pinutulan na rin guys, and here's the bottle. See, look at how beautiful it is. Once again, thank you so much for a very nice present. God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Pure Stone Heart.